Hi everyone, Chrissy Baker here with Keller Williams Realty. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of 1126 Linden Street, Unit 1 here in East Austin. This house is in a prime location here in town. It's just around the block from Austin Community College, but it's also minutes from downtown Austin, University of Texas, and the airport. Here within a few blocks are some really cool spots like Franklin Barbecue, that Austin iconic barbecue place that everybody craves. Of course, it's my favorite, Casa Colombia, which is a really fabulous South American fare. And there's plenty of places to buy your groceries like H-E-B and Whole Foods Market. And within just a few blocks is East 7th Street and East 5th Street, where there's tons of restaurants and bars and nightlife, and of course, all the tacos you can eat. This house, it's on a dead-end street, so there probably won't be a ton of traffic down this road. It's a little more than 2,000 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath house. And it's classified as a condo for the sole reason that there are 2 homes on one parcel here, which is common in Austin. It's got a beautiful modern finish out, so let's head on in and have a look at this modern gem. The first thing you notice when you walk into this house is these incredible soaring ceilings. And it's got these amazing clear story windows which bring in so much natural light, and it really fills the room. This is an open floor plan, as you can see, with the living room, kitchen, and dining room all in one nice, great room. The kitchen itself has these beautiful solid surface. The island is a silestone that's got these beautiful veins of gray throughout, and the cook side is a beautiful black granite. The tiles here are rather large, and they have a very subtle texture. I wouldn't even really call it a texture. It's just this beautiful subtle coloring that gives it depth without a lot of busyness. It's really pretty. There's a beautiful ceramic tile backsplash it's got a nice texture with a little bit of sheen so that you do have the contrast in textures. The other thing that gives this house a grand feeling are these beautiful 8-foot doors in every opening, the closets, the sliding glass windows, the doorways. Really a very nice touch, but you'll see as you walk through. So let's head on over to the master suite. soon as you come up the stairs to the second floor, there's this other living space that you can use as an office and a living space or a playroom, maybe a workout room. There's plenty of options, but once again, you notice all of this natural light coming in because there's so many windows. And, you know, I'm 5'2" in this house, and these soaring high ceilings really make this house feel very grand. So let's head on over to bedroom number 2. Be sure to download my mobile app for detailed information about this house and the neighborhood that you'll definitely find helpful. I'll be sure to leave the link for that in the comments. And perhaps this isn't the right home for you, but you like this neighborhood or you're interested in another neighborhood in the greater Austin area. Direct message me and let's get that search started for you. Finally, if you or someone that you know from work or your social circle needs to sell and wants an agent that's going to use the latest in technology to get that done, direct message me. I'd be honored to help. From 1126 Linden Street, Unit 1 in East Austin, Texas, I want to thank you for joining me today on this virtual tour. I look forward to seeing you in person soon.